Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Realme P3 Lite 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. Here you can see incorrect password, please try again. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power off your smartphone. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together for a few seconds, and when the Realme logo appears, release the power button and keep pressing the volume down button. So here you can see, now select language, volume keys to move up and down, and power button to confirm, or you can also use the touch feature to select language. And you can see recovery, format data, reboot device, power off, tap on format data. And you can see please enter verification code 7409, enter it 7409. So you can see on bottom, format data, all user data will be reset. Now simply tap on format. Wiping, please wait. And you can see data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device. And after hard reset, again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Realme P3 Lite 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.